Meet our quality engineer. His task? Collecting data from various systems for APQR reports. But with so many sources, confusion reigns. Introducing MIERUKA's APQR. Here's where MIERUKA E-PQR steps in, a single platform designed to simplify and automate your quality reporting process. With just one click, APQR pulls data from FTP servers and integrates it into your report. No manual effort, no errors. Need data from your internal databases? APQR connects seamlessly, fetching and organizing everything for you. MIERUKA E-PQR turns complexity into clarity. Automated, accurate, and efficient quality reporting at your fingertips.